Well, hello guys, what's up people, welcome back to the channel, another series of what you did. And today I'm in Cape Town, Johannesburg, Stellenbosch, Gansbaai, Simonstown, Soweto. So let's see how it goes.
Indian status as well as my presence. These are isolation cells.
All power to the people. Look in front of you.
You'll reminisce about Napoleon once you get to the last one.
Then I would be Napoleon.
Yeah.
So you're going to start from left to right?
Yeah, this is not acceptable. The icon costs the world.
You have everything, huh?
Yep,
Good
I have
morning.
everything. Good morning.
How are you doing?
Good,
Are we
good.
ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
See you.
See you. Thank you.
You sit in front, it's okay?
Yeah, front is fine. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm in Cape Town. I flew from Joburg over here last night. Pretty good flight. And today's day one, and I'm starting my day with one of the most scary as well as the adventurous thing called shark cage diving. So yeah, I'll be in the ocean with the great white sharks. So the place where I'm doing this adventurous activity is called Gansbaai, and it is very close to the southernmost tip of South Africa, or I would just say Africa continent. And over here you can see the great whites and also the whales as well. So for today I'm booked with the great white sharks and whales as well. So let's see how it goes. So the gentleman who brought me to this place, who drew me from Cape Town to Gansbaai, his name is Adrian.
Oh, yeah, pleasure having you here, and I really hope you enjoy your day, and we will do our best that you have a unforgettable experience.
So if you are coming to Cape Town and if you want to do this shark cage diving thing, or if any other activities that you want to do, I will write down the contact details of Adrian in the description, and you can contact him. He's a very jolly guy, very friendly person, and very humble as well. So like, you will enjoy his company. Like, till so far I'm enjoying his company.
Then throws that overboard, right? The wind and the current takes that smell away from the boat. The sharks swim through the smell, pick it up, and then out of curiosity want to know where the smell is coming from. Then this is what we call a chum line or a chum slick. The wind and current take it far out, the sharks pick it up and then come closer. When they do come close enough, our last crew member, whose name is Kennedy, I like to call him our shark handler, will be standing behind the cage with a line in the water. Attached to this line will be some big fish heads or big pieces of fish, but whatever he's got, this is just a target for the sharks, right? The sharks will see it hanging in the water and they'll start going for it. And what Kennedy does, he actually pulls that right up to the cage and the sharks follow, which means white sharks are going to be that far away from you. Okay, that's how we get the sharks in your face.
All of you on top, come down if you want to go in the cage. In front of the cage.
Oh, that's a different one.
Come guys.
That's a different one. Bigger.
No, it's turned around, starting you
It's a different shark, right? Two.
Oh yes. There you go, my boy. You ready?
I know I look ridiculous, but let's do it.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the thing?
There you go. Look up to the camera over there. My way.
Thank you. That was rad.
Look at me. That's it. Yeah. Hold them on.
Okay.
Thanks, guys.
All one shark behind us, Frankie.
Go down, go down, go down. Look in front of you. Beautiful.
A shark likes someone in that cage.
No. Climb up. Oh. Climb up.
So guys, it was an amazing experience too, and I will share my thoughts and feelings about that thing later, because right now I'm running late for the other thing, that is whale watching. I'll see you soon.
This is the biggest aquarium in the world. So yeah, the big body of water in South. We will drive it. So we're going to spend a lot of time traveling. Because like I said, it's a big area we got to cover and we have to look for it. We might serve it more in places, but that's the only way we can find it.
Got a tail there. Guys, did you all see that whale? Well, that's job done. We can go home then.
There's two.
There we go. Got a tail.
Oh.
Yeah, so there's the head coming up.
Oh, look at that.
So you see those white on top of the head? It's called callosity. So basically where we've got hair, they've got that. They're born with that and it grows as they grow. Now the nice thing about it, each callosity is a different shape, like our fingerprints, each one is unique. So the guys come, isn't it? The other one's coming up here on the left, right next to it. Nice and relaxed.
Normally they move away from us. These guys are giving us a nice show. Highly endangered.
Come on, back up. I never got.
Obviously the land colonies and so on, you can't get quite close. But look at that you can see they're not exactly high up in the food chain. They only grow to about 60 centimeters. How lucky can you be? Yeah, all those guys.
Oh wow, yes. Oh man, guys. I'm still learning. Yeah.
Look here, look here.
Can I record like this?
Make it that. Yeah.